A full unboxing of Google's big upcoming smartphone was leaked, and it shows you almost everything you need to know. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, my review. Today in this video I will show you the unboxed Google Pixel 3 XL. I cannot show you the video, so here are the detailed picture and specification. Photos of the Pixel 3 XL, including its packaging, specs, and accessories, were posted by a Telegram user on Wednesday. This latest leak, which was first spotted by Android police, basically shows the same device seen in previous leaks but with some extra details, like specs and accessories. So far, it's looking as if the Pixel 3 XL will have a design similar to the Pixel 2 XL, save for an absolutely massive notch. Apart from that, the Pixel 3's specs look like an upgrade over the Pixel 2's, bringing it closer to 2018 levels of performance. An earlier leak showed that Google would unveil the Pixel 3 on October 4th, but why wait when the phone is already laid out for all to see? Keep in mind that leaks, no matter how legitimate they appear, are still unconfirmed. We'll have to wait until Google presents the Pixel 3 to get the true specs, features, and design. What we don't know about the Pixel 3 phones is their pricing and camera specs. But based on previous Pixel phones, I'm predicting that the Pixel 3 will have the best camera of any smartphone. Check out the Pixel 3 XL. Here it is, the Pixel 3 XL, fully unboxed, with all its included accessories. From the leaked photos, it looks as if the Pixel 3 XL will come with wired USB-C Pixel buds, a charging cable, a dongle, and a microSD to USB-C adapter. I'd assume it also includes a charging brick, but it's not pictured above. Perhaps it's hiding underneath some extra packaging in the box. The photos look pretty legitimate. They're nearly, if totally, identical to previous photo leaks and rumors about the Pixel 3 XL. One of the main aspects about the upcoming Pixel 3 XL that's causing strong reactions across the internet is the phone's massive notch. The device pictured above is showing that it's a Pixel 3 XL under the model name. It's not a guarantee, though, as anything can be expertly edited to mislead. Almost all of the Pixel 3 XL's specs are bared for all to see. According to the photos, the Pixel 3 XL will have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor, 4 GB of RAM, a 1440p display that's standard on high-end phones these days. Android 9. Looks as though the person who leaked the Pixel 3 XL set up the device. All they need now are apps. From the back, the Pixel 3 XL looks nearly identical to the Pixel 2 XL. From the back, the Pixel 3 XL looks nearly identical to the Pixel 2 XL. Any rumors about dual-lens cameras on the Pixel 3 XL are looking fainter and fainter. The device pictured above shows a single-lens camera, much like previous Pixel models. The glass inlay and fingerprint scanner are in the same positions as on the Pixel 2 XL. Unlike previous Pixel models, the Pixel 3 XL will apparently come with wired USB-C Pixel buds.